Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the JioTag which costs 750 rupees and this is an Apple AirTag which costs 3500 rupees. Now both of these products are very similar in one aspect and very different in another aspect. Those two aspects are use and technology. In terms of use, both of these products are very similar. One will use these products to track something important like keys, wallets, backpack or something like that. But the tech that they use is very different. Now before we talk about the technological differences, let's talk about the JioTag first and let's see if it is any good or not. First and foremost, inside the box you will get a JioTag along with this lanyard and you will also get an extra battery inside the box. So that is highly appreciated, one extra battery inside the box itself. As far as the design goes, this is extremely thin and lightweight. So you can easily attach it to your keys, put it in your wallet or maybe just throw it in a backpack. Build quality wise, it's okay, made completely from plastic and does not feel premium. Now the main question here, how to use this JioTag to track your items? Well, for that you will have to download the JioThings app. This app is available for Android as well as iOS, so that is sorted. You need to download the app, create an account and then pair this JioTag with the JioThings application. The pairing process is very simple and you do get a step-by-step guide inside the app itself, which is very good. And the app itself feels stable, does not feel buggy at all. The entire process of signing up for a new account and then setting up the JioTag was smooth. Now once you have set up and connected this JioTag to the JioThings application, then you can attach it to any of your items, keys, wallets, backpack or something else. Now I feel that there are three use cases with this JioTag. Number one, you misplace an item in your house itself and the JioTag is still in range with your phone, then you can find that item via the JioThings app. Just press find and a loud audio will play from this tag and then you can find that item. The second use case is where you forget an item somewhere and as soon as you are out of range from this JioTag, you will get a notification on your smartphone that this item has been disconnected and you should just go back and get that item. So that is a very helpful scenario. Say you're sitting in a cafe and you forget your keys or something like that, then instantly you will get a notification right on your smartphone. Now I tested out this feature and the notification is almost instant. So it's not like it will send you a notification after some time. It will send you a notification as soon as this tag is disconnected. Now the third and most important use case, you forget an item somewhere, you ignore the notification and you realize after a couple of hours that the item is missing. In that case, the item has basically been lost. You can see the last location of this JioTag right on the app and the JioTag will also use the Jio community network to ping you the location of the tag. Now this feature I did not get to try because I'm just using this tag for the past 1 day or so, but I will try out this feature very soon and maybe I'll post an Instagram reel about it. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. But I feel that as and when more people buy these tags, the community network will grow and that's when we will get precise location even when the item is lost or stolen. Now using the JioThings application, you can control everything about this JioTag. There are a lot of settings and you can play around with them. You can also see the battery percentage left. So if the battery is low, then you can potentially change the battery. But I feel that for such devices, the battery should last for months easily. And that's pretty much how the JioTag works. Now let's get back to the difference between an AirTag and JioTag in terms of technology. You see, the Apple AirTag has a U1 chipset inside, because of which we get a feature called as precise location. Basically, using the U1 chipset, you can get very precise location of the Apple AirTag even when you are standing like 1 meter apart from it. It will give you a precise location with directions and that is only possible because of the U1 chip. So in use case one, say you misplace an item in your home itself, then you can precisely finding by using your iPhone and your iPhone will also show you directions inside your house. So that is a very powerful feature of Apple AirTags, the U1 chip and precise location. Also, AirTag uses a way bigger network as compared to a JioTag to give you the location of your lost and stolen items, and that is again a very big thing here. The network of Apple devices is just way too good. But with that being said, there is a big price difference between both of these products. This one will cost you 3500 rupees and this one will cost you 750 rupees. There's no denying the fact that for 750 rupees, the JioTag is extremely affordable and a lot of people are going to buy it. As a matter of fact, I'm not saying that the JioTag is bad. For the price of rupees 750, this is a very good GPS tracker and you can use it on your keys, wallets, backpack or anywhere else very easily. So if you want to buy the JioTag, then I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. When I ordered this item, I was not expecting to like it, but I do like it and I am going to use it on a daily basis and I will post updates on Twitter and Instagram. So make sure you're following me there also. That's been it. I hope you liked this video and if you did, then make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.